All right, this is like three members of Mini Bike Mobsters.
It's alright.
You didn't even show yourself.
Here, I got
Oh, I
you.
get myself here.
Where's the third member?
We're the organizers. We're trying to set up the route. All right, here we go. So we got the what is that? BT 200X. Damn, I fucked this video up.
It's cool.
We got the Moto Box with the shocks, the platinum, and he got cams in his. Oh yeah, it's going down out here. He ain't playing. We all rocking them cams. That's our route. We going that way. Let me get everybody. Let me go back this way. Oh yeah.